Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road is a major thoroughfare in Jamaica. It connects the busiest road in Jamaica, which is Mandela Highway, to the busiest place in Jamaica, which is Halfway Tree. So you exit Mandela, go onto Spanish Town Road, and then take Spanish Town Road to the busiest intersection in Jamaica, which is this intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. And then Hagley Park Road takes you up to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So this is a very busy thoroughfare. Now look at the state of the road. Now, apparently this road is not part of the Spark program, because the government is talking about it's going to need 60 million US, or that's some billions of Jamaican, to fix this road. Now the government plans to spend $45 billion to fix roads in Jamaica. 45 billion. And it seems as if this road is not on the list. Very, very surprising. And then they're spending another, I think it's what, 13 billion or 15 billion on the CapEx program to fix 6 main roads in Kingston and St. Andrew. And you mean Spanish Town Road is not on the list? This is very surprising. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments on the section below. Now this road is full of potholes, has no white lines. This is actually a 3-lane road, but there are no white lines to separate the lanes. And some major manufacturers are on this road. Red Stripe is on this road, Excelsior, Toyota, a lot of car companies. J. Ray and Nephew has their office here. A lot of manufacturing companies are located on this road. Now what happened was, this road was dug up, of course, happens all the time, and they laid pipes so that there are a lot of communities off this road. So the water supply to these communities was not adequate because the pipes were too small. So they dug up the road and laid new pipes, and that was done. But of course, as happened so many times, the road was never fixed back to its proper state. Hence, the rapid deterioration in the road. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here with Spanish Town Road. The deteriorating state of Spanish Town Road in Jamaica has sparked growing frustration among motorists and prompting the government to implement temporary measures while planning a long-term solution. The National Works Agency has been tasked with carrying out remedial work on the road surface between now and January to provide immediate short-term relief. However, addressing the root issues of Spanish Town Road goes far beyond simple repairs. Minister Robert Morgan, with responsibility for works under the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, acknowledged that a comprehensive repair of the heavily traveled thoroughfare requires a capital investment of approximately US 60 million. He emphasized that the road's problems are compounded by underlying sewage and drainage challenges, necessitating a collaborative effort with agencies such as the National Water Commission. Motorists who use the road daily remain deeply dissatisfied with the temporary fixes, arguing that they fail to address the road's underlying issues. Complaints center on the craters and ditches that have developed, particularly in the lane heading into downtown Kingston. Many attribute the road's poor condition to inadequate restoration work following pipeline installations in previous years. The general consensus among road users is that a permanent solution is urgently needed, while the government's planned capital project offers hope for the future. Motorists are calling for a greater prioritization of Spanish Town Road, a critical artery for both commercial and commuter traffic. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. I am still shocked to know that this road is not part of the Spark program or the CAPEX program. Very surprised. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.